Welcome back, everyone. Today's topic is driving innovation and growth within your team. Innovation is the lifeblood of business development, and in today's fast-paced market, it's crucial for staying ahead of the competition. A leader's ability to foster creativity and encourage innovative thinking can significantly impact a company's growth trajectory. In this lecture, we will discuss how to create an environment that promotes innovation and explore practical techniques for generating creative solutions to business challenges. This lecture will help you in understanding the importance of innovation in driving business growth, learning strategies for fostering creativity within your team, exploring techniques for developing innovative solutions to business challenges, recognizing how innovation can be applied to achieve sustainable growth. Innovation is about more than just new products or technologies. It's about finding better ways to solve problems, improve processes, and meet customer needs. Here is why fostering innovation is critical for business development. In any industry, competition is fierce. Innovation allows companies to differentiate themselves from competitors by offering unique solutions, services, or products that stand out in the market. Markets and customer preferences change constantly. Businesses that foster a culture of innovation can pivot and adapt to these changes faster, staying relevant in a dynamic environment. Innovation opens doors to new markets, customer segments, and revenue streams. Whether it's through developing new products, improving existing services, or finding more efficient ways to operate, innovation leads to business expansion. Building an innovative team starts with creating the right environment where creativity can flourish. Here are some strategies to encourage innovation within your team. Team members need to feel safe sharing their ideas without fear of judgment or failure. Encouraging open dialogue and brainstorming sessions can help generate creative solutions. As a leader, be receptive to all ideas, even if they seem unconventional at first. Google's famous 20% time initiative allowed employees to spend 20% of their work week on side projects they were passionate about. This policy led to innovations like Gmail and Google Maps. Innovation often comes from combining different perspectives and skill sets. A diverse team, whether in terms of background, experience, or thinking style, can generate more creative ideas than a homogeneous one. Encourage collaboration across departments and disciplines to harness the power of diverse viewpoints. Innovation requires experimentation, and not all experiments will succeed. To drive innovation, leaders need to create an environment where it's okay to take calculated risks. When failure occurs, treat it as a learning experience rather than a setback. Teams need time, tools, and support to innovate. Allocate resources, whether it's through dedicated time for brainstorming or investing in new technologies that help your team focus on creative problem solving. Innovation rarely happens in environments where teams are stretched too thin. Once you've created the right environment, it's time to apply specific techniques for generating innovative ideas and solutions. This is a human-centered approach to innovation that involves understanding the user's needs, brainstorming creative ideas, and rapidly prototyping solutions. Design thinking encourages your team to put themselves in the customer's shoes and design solutions based on empathy and real-world feedback. Empathize with users to understand their needs. Define the problem you want to solve. Ideate by brainstorming creative solutions. Prototype a solution and test it with users. Iterate based on feedback to refine the solution. Creativity often flourishes when there are limitations. Instead of giving your team complete freedom, set specific constraints or challenges. For example, ask them to come up with ideas that fit a limited budget or develop a solution within a tight timeline. These constraints can spark creativity by forcing the team to think outside the box. Bringing together team members from different departments or areas of expertise can lead to unexpected and innovative solutions. For example, pairing marketing with product development might lead to new ways of packaging or positioning a product. Encourage cross functional collaboration to break down silos and promote fresh ideas. Innovation is only valuable if it leads to sustainable growth. Here are a few ways to ensure that innovation efforts translate into long-term success. Innovation doesn't stop after the first idea. Encourage your team to continuously refine and improve their ideas. Successful companies like Apple are known for iterating on their innovations, constantly enhancing their products based on user feedback and technological advancements. Not every innovative idea will lead to business growth, and that's okay. The key is to measure the impact of new initiatives and learn from the results. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to evaluate the success of innovative projects and identify areas for improvement. Once an innovation solution has proven successful, find ways to scale it across the organization or apply it to new markets. For example, a successful product launch in one region could be expanded globally. Scaling innovation is a key driver of sustainable growth. Think of innovation like planting seeds. Each idea is a seed with the potential to grow into something impactful, but it requires the right environment, time, and nurturing to flourish. Just as a gardener creates the right conditions for plants to thrive, choosing the right soil, giving water and sunlight, and removing weeds, leaders must create a supportive environment that fosters creativity, provides resources, and removes obstacles. With constant care, these seeds of innovation grow into the fruits of business growth. Identify a company known for its innovation and research the techniques they use to foster creativity and innovation within their team. Write a 500-word analysis on how these strategies have contributed to the company's growth and success. What do you think are the most effective ways to foster innovation within a team? Have you experienced any innovation process in your work or studies? I would love to hear your insights or answer any question in the comment section. That wraps up today's lecture. In our next session, we will be looking at how to integrate innovative practices into your business development strategy to drive long-term success. See you next time.